Are you looking for the most reliable testing equipment for cement, aggregates, soil, and concrete? Certified MTP offers a full range of high-quality lab testing equipment to meet all your industry needs. From cement strength testers to soil analyzers, we've got you covered. Trusted by over 1,000 satisfied customers, our products help you ensure the highest standards in material testing and construction. We're certified, and our equipment is used by experts across the industry, providing reliable results and precision you can count on. Need the best equipment for your lab? Visit certifiedmtp.com today and explore our full range of testing tools. Whether you're working in cement, aggregates, or soil testing, we have the solutions you need. Certified MTP, trusted by professionals for quality, precision, and support. Your trusted partner in material testing.